Wala na. I'll repeat again. So wait natin, see what happens pagkatapos nito. So the process, guys, is first cleaning department is the first light blinking right there. And the second one, we fill it up and the second light. And then the third one when it's all ready. So we'll see you in after 45 minutes, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Kasi nasa ano pa. We're still in the first process, alright? See you.
Empty this.
So we empty that one.
Oh, wow.
And then it goes to the ano now. It goes to the second light. It's still blinking. So that means it's empty water. We need to put some more. That red one up there. Okay. You're gonna put water. Wait for it. I'm loving this. We are loving this coffee machines. You know, this is for decaf and this is for regular. Sana all may ano. The only thing I don't like this machines are when they making coffee is splash all over this. Yung coffee, if you get hot water, it's just splashing everywhere. So I need to keep one rag in here so I keep, messing up the wood like that. So We're waiting for the water. So same process. We just going to number 2 now.
Oh, it's rinsing it out.
Blinking like it's rinsing.
Dirty bird.
It's kind of milky. Ew. It smells like a bad. It smells like a bad milk. That's how it smells like. The water is coming up. Wow, that's fast. So it's gonna do the process again, and then this one is spraying, and then toot toot toot, drip drip drip. So we'll see you on the next. We'll see you on the third one. Okay, same process like the first one. Okay. Okay, we are in the third one. Right here, you're gonna put more water, and same process, guys. This is the cleaner that we use. Coffee maker cleaner, like that. Okay. Ay, nako. So you just have to follow the instruction. Hindi ko na video. I did not get a video for the first one, but it looks like this. Fill up the solution on the line, the coffee maker cleaner, and then you fill out water all the way up like that, and you just press everything in there. All right. So like this, you put the water. Okay, and press the water, and press that one, and we put the scooper again. Wait. And same process. All right. We'll see you later after rinsing it again. Okay. Ganon. This one is too many choices to make. This one is not much choices. Apat. Okay. See you after 45 minutes again. Joke. Pagka natapos na. Mabilisan. What happened now?
This thing down here.
Oh. Now he wants to empty the tray. Like that one. That one plate. Okay, let's see how he does it. He's gonna pull up from there. That's the plato. Because it's chock full. Alright. Gonna empty it and we put it back. See what happened. Coming back. Okay.
This back.
Water empty.
Then I think
Wash niya lahat yung tubig. So it says it needs water right there. So we need to put water and see what happened. If this goes away, we are good because it's on the coffee. It's on the coffee scooper now. Panda, Mr. Cooper. Alright, we'll wait for the water. One more load of water and see what happened. All clean. All the red lights are gone. We did it. 45 minutes later. No more red lights. That means it's clean. Charming clean. Alright, ganon. O, diba? Ganyan din yung isa sa malinis din yan. Okay? So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, very good. Thank you, Pita.